This recipe is super quick, super tasty and super filling. Harissa chicken with giant couscous, ready in just quarter of an hour. Start off by boiling the giant couscous in some chicken stock for about 6 minutes. While that's cooking, spray a pan with some low-calorie cooking spray and add some sliced skinless chicken thighs. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add sliced red onion and whole cherry tomatoes. Stir in ground coriander, harissa seasoning and tomato puree and cook for around another 6 minutes. Stir in the couscous and any leftover stock and add some fresh parsley, and if it's too thick, add a splash of water to loosen. Dish it up and enjoy this fiery filling 15-minute hero. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more healthy Slimming World recipes.